Welcome to this lesson on telling time. Today we will learn about half past, which means 30 minutes past the hour. This is an important skill for reading analog clocks and understanding time in English. Half past means 30 minutes past the hour. When we say half past, we are talking about the time when 30 minutes have passed from the top of the hour. On an analog clock, the minute hand always points to the 6 when it is half past the hour. There are two ways to say half past depending on where you are. In British English, we say half past followed by the hour. For example, 3:30. In American English, we say the hour followed by 30. For example, 3:30. Both ways mean the same time. Let's look at some examples. 1:30 is 1:30. 5:30 is 5:30. Remember, when the minute hand points to the 6 on the clock and the hour hand is between two numbers, you read the lower number and say half past that hour. To read half past on a clock, follow these steps. First, find the hour hand, which is the shorter hand. Second, check that the minute hand, which is the longer hand, is pointing to the 6. Third, say half past followed by the hour. Fourth, as an example, if the minute hand is on 6 and the hour hand is between 4 and 5, you say 4:30. Let's practice identifying half past times. 6:30 is 6:30. 8:30 is 8:30. 10:30 is 10:30. As you can see, whenever the minute hand points to the 6, we always say half past the hour. It is important to understand the difference between half past and quarter past. Half past means the minute hand is on the 6, representing 30 minutes past the hour. Quarter past means the minute hand is on the 3, representing 15 minutes past the hour. For example, 3:30 is 3:30, while 3:15 is 3:15. Let's review the key points. Half past equals 30 minutes past the hour. The minute hand always points to the 6 when telling half past. In British English, we say half past followed by the hour. In American English, we say the hour followed by 30. Practice reading different half past times on analog clocks to become comfortable with this skill.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.